Good morning. I am making videos all week, so today I wanted to show you that you can make junk journals with all free images. I think that I showed you the papers a couple of videos back, but I will give you the link. I think most of this is from Yolanda, and I don't remember her Facebook name, but it's going to be the link down below. And then if you look a couple of videos back, I think I said free images for junk journals, because everyone says to me, you know, you buy these images, but I can't do it. Yes, you can. Here's two different ones. The top pieces are from, I think, Boho Love, and I'll give you that, but the rest I'm pretty sure is Yolanda, maybe a little Artsy May. But I'll give you the links down below. So let's just go through them really fast. I have not completed them, but today's the only day I can make videos, so I'm going to make them and then, then get back to this. This looks like a book, and that's how it looks when you open it, and I love both of these are the same way, and it's got a black right here of the string I use, and you can't even hardly see it, so I just love that idea. I did have to cut it down quite a bit because my trimming was off and I had to cut it even smaller. I always have, this is heavy cardstock and this is just copy paper. I always have this like 1/4 bigger than the inside, you know how, because I want it to look like how books are. So let's go through it. So yeah, so these are all free images that you can get. I haven't even made pockets and tuck spots or laced it up yet. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you. Here's some tags. I just printed Yolanda's images and made a tag. Didn't even do anything on the back, and these are her images. Should have done something on the back, maybe. This is cardstock and this is cardstock, but most of it is just copy paper. I'm not going to pull these out. This is an image that she gave us, and it's on cardstock, and it was an envelope, so you just cut it and score it, but the envelope's already made, and this is nice because the handwriting is on the actual right direction. And here's an image I stuck inside from her. I think it went with this one, so that was nice. Let's just stick it there. But these images are just beautiful, and you can just do so much. Here's a tag, a little doily. I hear someone pulling up, and I don't know why someone's in my yard. So this is a hidden, I hid the ties and all from this. This is a hidden hinge, the hinges or the string that ties it together. It's inside here where it's tied together, and all I did was glue the two sheets of paper together. I didn't realize it when I printed it. I was going to make it writing on that, and but I just glued it together to make a pocket, even though this is copy paper. These are images that I got, and I thought, wow, you could really write quite a bit of notes on that. But with it all being free, it's nice and it's pretty and all. This is a bookmark using Anna Griffin bookmarks. Her new dies just came out, and so that's what that looks like, and it's Anna Griffin. Whoa, this is what they look like. They're the new dies just came out like 2 weeks ago, and only thing I would say is double up on the cardstock because it is paper, so I doubled it up. And this this image right here matches one of her images that you can download for free, and you put that like that, and it's really usable. Next time I will do the back side too, because I see now that it's white, but you know, anyway, there's a tag, here's more images, doily, but I just want y'all to know that, and then with this being free, you can practice and then buy images that you fell in love with. See, I haven't put a lot into it, but I just wanted to show you what you can do. So here's the next one. This is from Boho Love, the top piece, and the rest is from Yolanda, I'm pretty sure. Let's just go through it real fast. Or Artsy May. I think it's Yolanda's most of it. There's another Anna bookmark. Oh, it's got two of them on this one. So let me fix that so I can open. But I do see now that I need to do both sides of images on the bookmarks. So we're just going to go through it. This is another free envelope that you just cut around the shape, and then there's one of the images I put inside. So it's very nice to have one of these. It's always really pretty. You could put all kind of stuff in it. Here is another little one, and this one came with tags. I didn't even punch the holes yet. But I said, you know, I haven't made videos in about 3 weeks, so I need to do that. And here's a couple more of the images. Isn't that just beautiful? It looks like a book or a dictionary page, and then it's got those images on top. It's just gorgeous. I hidden the hinge ties inside, and let's just stick this one inside there. Let's just go through this real fast. Here's another tag. This is another of those Anna bookmarks. This is her new ones, and it matches the papers. And see, you just fold it over 3 times, and it becomes an actual bookmark page. And I think this one's my favorite out of all of them that she has. There's 4 in that set. So I have it with my junk journaling dies, because I think that every time I make a junk journal, they're going to get a bookmark to match. I don't know why that's not wanting to fit in there. It's wanting to curl under. So I'll put that back in a minute. I snagged it on the paper. I'm wondering if this is pixie dust images that she gave us for free. But guys, I have gave you every link every time I get something free, and I did it monthly for over a year. So if you want to try to make a junk journal and don't want to buy anything yet, then there you go. Use some free images and you will be able to surprise yourself of how much you can get done. So this goes this direction, and see how it fits beautifully. So there you go. I hope you liked my inspiration. I realize that I need to add pockets, and I need to add lace and ribbon and all that, or just use it like it is, because I want people to literally take this and write your notes. You know, how nice would it be to go to a meeting or a class or something, and you literally use this, and everybody's like, hey, wait a minute, that's awfully shabby chic, or chic of her to have something like that. And then if you're bored, then you can start looking at the images and doodling. So anyway, I want mine to be used, not to be looked at. I do want to make some that you just look at that's huge and got so much stuff that it's like a vintage album junk journal, but I haven't gotten there yet. So anyway, the links that I can get will be down below, and thank you. Subscribe. I hope this told you what to do or what not to do. At least if you don't like what I do, then you say, well, I know not to do that. So anyway, alrighty guys, have a blessed day. Bye.